Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Sweat. We back with another video, man. Today is April 13th. We headed out to Buurlz legal pit, and yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie. I'm thinking today I might pop my shit. I ain't gonna lie. I might go out there and jump in the pit and do a one wheel and peel. You know what I'm saying? Cause I got this shitty ass differential. But we gonna see. But right now I'm about to go to the car wash. Get some food, and then I'm gonna meet up with everybody else. Then I'm gonna catch up with y'all boys. All right, man, we on the highway. We done linked up with the gang. As y'all can see, we got my boy with the SS in front of me. His brother now has the white SS. We got the RT twins behind me, and my boy Narweezy in the back. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, we're cruising down the highway. Definitely just abided by every street law on this earth. Psych! Oh shit. Psych a lot! I think there's a state trooper behind us, but I'm not really tripping because we're not doing anything illegal. But as you can see, I am driving the speed limit of 82. In our state, it is 82 because this is Texas. Speed limit is at 85. But yeah, y'all see it. We got the cars. Oh yeah, now y'all can see my boy Narweezy in the back. Yes, sir. Y'all see, we got Trizzard the Lizard. That boy got a new thing. Same color though. He still got that same color. Where's brother at? Let's get up there to his brother right quick. Get up there tomorrow. Oh boy, I like that blue so much. Oh my god. That motherfucker hard. That motherfucker is hard. God dang. But I'm gonna pick y'all back up if we get into some action or some shit. Alright, we just made it out here to the pit. We got slow-mo bill number 1, slow-mo bill number 2. You see, we got everything out here. Hella cars out here. God damn. It's just hella shit. Y'all, this motherfucker pretty. Y'all see, we got track, scat, RT, cat. It's a lot of shit out here, I ain't gonna lie. Why leave with the kids? That's funny. Oh, shit. My boy, are you sliding today?
Hell no, I'm not sliding.
Let me slide it.
You gonna buy my tires?
Let me slide it.
Huh?
If I could slide it, I'll buy you tires.
Tires, I will slide it.
No. I'll buy tires if I'm sliding it.
Okay. For real?
Yeah.
How much?
What you got on there? You staggered?
Nah, you gotta buy 305.
You staggered?
Huh?
Staggered?
Yes.
Nah, I'm good. But y'all see my car looking clean. We got new side decal stickers on. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Yes, sir. We was getting it. What? Got one what? Hold up. Hey man, y'all see it. We got Chop Wild and them boys down in North Carolina. Y'all look at that G8, bro. I want that so bad. Y'all see it's hella shit out here. It's hella car. That shit right there loud as fuck. All them bitches hard. He missing part of his cat though.
Huh?
God damn. Y'all look at that red cat right there. Yes sir. Yo, this shit hard as hell. I ain't gonna lie. All these bitches tough. I like that right there. Damn. Nah, this shit hard as fuck. Damn. Shit, boy. They got a little G. You see, that's all kitty work right there. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. It's hella cars out here. God damn. God damn. It's hella cars out here. Damn.
And it's a charger, and she has 2 tracks. That's what I came to see. It's like a dark blue.
What's she looking for?
Gabrielle. She drives a blue.
The white girl?
Yeah.
Oh, Gabby.
Yeah.
Who the fuck says Gabrielle?
Me, nigga.
I don't think she here yet. Oh, I love that shit right there. That shit fuck, y'all.
What?
That half purple, half gray. Bitch hard.
What the hell?
God damn.
SRT Billy.
Y'all check out that boy Chop right there. Bitch hard.
And I'll slide at any event.
You said what?
15 likes and I'll slide at the next event.
Y'all heard that. Go tap in with Drizzy J. 15 likes and he'll slide next event.
He's definitely sliding at the next one.
He's gonna slide.
Nah, 20 likes.
Regardless.
Might get a little burnout.
Regardless of the likes. Definitely.
I might get a little burnout.
Okay, Tandem. Yeah. And once I get my shit right, I got you.
We got it right. We do got practice. I ain't gonna lie.
You trying to be a cameraman right quick?
Not really, no.
Hey, can you grab this though? Before I drop it?
We got another
I
G8.
can hold it. I just couldn't.
Yeah, red.
Flip it up. Y'all check out the goddamn G8 over there.
Ain't nothing.
That red hard.
No, bro does not have a demon on the fucking truck. Oh, shit.
Goddamn demon truck. There's hella fucking cars on this bitch. I want this motherfucker right here.
That's an SRT.
Where? Weak ass SRTG. Cool. I said that's cool.
Yeah, we don't care.
Oh God, we don't. Damn, I'm gonna pick y'all back up once we get in the event, cause shit everybody just standing around walking and shit. Y'all, that boy Dark Knight done pulled up. He got the black cat out, the pink trackie. That shit clean as hell. God damn, it's clean as hell. Y'all see, we got the RT twins in the cut. Fuck Alabama though. Oh God. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling. Is this Naro? No. You said what? Clemson.
Clemson's crazy. We got
South Carolina. Forever and always.
South Carolina too.
Say what now? You know where you live at? In South Carolina.
For real. You got a little bit. You got cosmetic.
Yo, this shit hard. Hey, you know what I just noticed though on the back of that damn Hellcat? That fucking graphic. That shit hard as fuck. I did not see that in the last legal pit they had. Yeah, the one in Jacksonville.
Are we walking to Dark Knight?
Oh, we can.
I didn't really get a good look at that challenge.
Let's go get it. Shit.
All right.
Y'all see, it's hella cars outside. Gen 2s, new gens, clean, everything clean. Little dirty, don't mind it. Y'all see, ooh, this bitch on bags. Damn. Charlie on bags. Shit, wow. God damn. Y'all see, we got SRT cocaine.
I'm about to take my jacket off.
God damn. Oh, look at the dog, yo. That's the kind of dog I want. I heard that shit. That bitch chopping. God damn. But I'm pick y'all back up when we get over to the track. Oh shit, y'all. We done got Quan pulling up. Oh shit. Now this yellow is crazy as hell. God damn. Oh, these bitches crazy as hell. Hell yeah. God damn. Them boys got everything out this bitch. Shit, what? That shit gonna be crazy. All these bitches loud.
Boys, just waiting in line to get
God. God damn, boy. Why he trying to send raw through there?
I like that eye.
Yo, this shit hard as fuck.
That bitch so wide. I ain't gonna lie. Motherfucker, you tell I ride the part right there.
I already know he about to park right there.
I say he go away.
God. Jay, you still gotta get one of these bitches, bro.
Oh, God, I gotta get one.
Oh shit, okay, cute.
Fucking TRX, motherfucker.
Nah, this shit crazy.
They got you by this track, too.
Damn. They got everything out this bitch. Shit, boy. Excuse me, bro. Shit, go down to the track. God damn. Oh, that shit crazy.
I got chips, I got snacks, I got liquor. I take salt, I take apple pay, I take cash app. Rock, tequila, vodka, heavy.
Nah, we not hungry. We not hungry. I'll see you back in the back.
Whoever wins.
Oh God, if you win that, you lucky as hell.
better in person. This bitch hard. Big ass.
Toughest TRX I've ever seen in person.
I ain't gonna lie. If he wide body his shit, he had the toughest track.
Damn, boy.
He got a cat too.
Who cat back there? Shoney, no. Where Atlanta came, trim as hell. Oh, hey, y'all check out the Thunderhawk.
Thunderhawk was great. They ain't even a track. They got some thunder.
Y'all see Atlanta came deep as hell.
You gotta go there and get close.